Acme Educational Publications. Number 1. Educational Group.
Hello, young mathematicians. My name is Millie. Welcome to Umizoomi-themed. Early Year Foundation Stage 1. Today, we have an exciting exercise of learning maths. Are you ready for an exciting adventure with our hungry caterpillar? On this page, you'll see a cute caterpillar, but it's feeling a bit empty right now. Can you help feed it? You have 6 segments on the caterpillar's body. Your mission is to write numbers from 1 to 6 in the correct order, starting from the head. As you write each number, watch the caterpillar come to life and become happier with each bite. So get your pencils ready and let's begin. So tell what's your order. The right order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have a happy learning. Comment us the screenshot of your activity. Must like, subscribe Acme Educational Publications, and share this video.